Hello there. In this video we'll find out some of the different ways you can access help in Mastercam and ultimately help yourself. I'm going to move up to the top of the screen and click on Help. We're going to be reviewing the options contained within the Help menu. Now at the top of the list is the main entrance to Help. I'm going to click on Contents, or you can access it by clicking Alt-H on your keyboard. Now I'm going to maximize this window. Now the first page we arrive at is the Introduction to Help. I'm just going to scroll down, and at the very bottom there's also a section entitled Video Tips that you can access by clicking on this Click Here link. Now over on the left there are 4 tabs: Contents, Index, Search and Glossary. Now I'd like to find out some more information on Mastercam's interface. Now I'm going to double click on Mastercam interface and then move on down. I'm going to double click on Interface Overview, and next up I'm going to click on Common Mastercam buttons. We now have information on the more commonly used Mastercam buttons. Let's move over to the left, and this time I'm going to click on the Index tab. What I'm going to do now is type in lines, and as you can see we're transported down to the Lines section. I'm going to click on Lines Parallel. The first page contains information on the Lines ribbons bar. I'm going to click on the button definitions now, and this gives us all the information on the buttons that you'll find on the Line Parallel ribbon bar. For example, I'm going to click on Flip, and it gives us information on the Flip button. This dialog box explains the function of the Flip button and the various options that you can access. I'm going to click outside this window just to make it disappear. Let's go do a search now. I'm going to click on the Search tab, and I'm going to do a search for Arc Polar and then hit Enter. Next up, for this title column, I'm just going to click on the right hand side of this pane and then just expand it to the right. What I'm going to do is double click on Arc Polar ribbon bar. The first page contains information on the ribbon bar, and the second page contains info on the button definitions. And you can click on one of the links for more information. Now in the top right hand corner there is a link in green. How do I get there? I'm just going to click on this link, and this gives you the route to Arc Polar. Create Arc Polar. I'm going to close this window now. Now let's move into the Create menu and find out how we can get context sensitive help. I'm going to move into Create and select Create Polygon. Now at the very bottom right hand corner of this dialog box is a question mark. I'm just going to click on the question mark, and this opens up Help and gives us pertinent information on this particular function that we're in, the Polygon dialog box. Okay, let's close this up, and I'm going to hit the OK. Let's go back to Help again. I'm going to open up Help, and let's click on Mastercam on the web. So here we are at www.mastercam.com. Let's open up Support. Let's move into Tech Tips. So lots of information here for users of Mastercam. I'm just going to close this up. Here we are back in Mastercam again. Now let's open up Mastercam again. So the About link will give you details on what version of Mastercam you're running and identify what products you have installed. Just below that, Update Mastercam will check for any software updates, and I'm already fully updated. Just below, Zip2Go utility will compress the current Mastercam part file into a Z2G file. That file can then be opened and viewed with most zip unzip programs. Just below, I'm going to click on Reference Guide. Now, there are 920 pages in this document, and the guide contains design and machining information. I'm just going to minimize this PDF document. Now, this completes our tour of help. Thanks for watching.